You need to ask yourself whether marijuana is so important to you that it's worth potentially going to prison for 10 years. Because it appears to me that you're not really trying to remain clean and sober for marijuana. Because what I'm looking at, I have a dilute in August. Then in September, it's negative. Then in October, it's positive. Then November, positive. Then January, positive. I mean, it appears that you want to go to prison.
No, Your Honor.
Then why are you behaving as though you want to go to prison? Because it seems that your default position is, when in doubt, use marijuana. If I've had a bad day, use marijuana. If I've had a good day, use marijuana. Why are you continuing to use? Because here in Texas, marijuana is not legal. And you will go to prison if you continue to violate, or I should say, you have a potential of going to prison if you continue to violate the rules that I've set down for you.
Understood.
So when's the last time you used marijuana? And you need to be honest with the court.
I believe it was like a week and a half ago.
Well, not I believe. You know when you last used. Did you use yesterday?
No,
So when's the last time you used?
about a week ago.
And why are you using marijuana?
I guess it's like you said, I have a bad day, possibly.
And what kind of bad day are you having? Is it a bad day where you're going to prison? That type of bad day? Because to me, that's a bad day. I'm going to prison. So what is going on with you? What bad day are you having?
Maybe just work, overworking.
Well, a lot of people overwork, but they don't turn towards marijuana. I see people doing other things because they're trying to stay up so they can overwork. How old are you?
25.
All right. I don't know what's wrong with young people these days where your default is always I wouldn't say for a majority, but for some that I have in here, young people, your default seems to be, let me do whatever makes me feel good in the moment instead of thinking past that moment and how it's going to impact your life. So I don't understand how you overwork. So you use marijuana. Walk me through it.
I believe it could just be something relaxing. But
read a book. I'm reading a book right now. I still have 30 pages to go. You know what? I was so tired from yesterday. I didn't even get to read these 30 pages. I still do not know who committed the crime in death by committee. 30 pages left. I'm waiting to read the next book in the cozy mystery, and I can't. Because you know what I do when I'm overworked? I end up going to bed, going to sleep because I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Didn't even get to have dinner. Just went to bed. And just as a side note,